Hey everyone, if Google Meet is lagging on your Windows PC, freezing during calls, or just feeling slow in general, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple fixes to improve performance and make your meetings run smoothly again. Let's jump right in. First, close any unnecessary apps running in the background. Windows apps like browsers, downloads, or game launchers can use a lot of memory and slow down Google Meet. Next, restart your browser completely. So, close all tabs, then reopen Google Meet fresh. This clears temporary glitches and frees up system resources that may be causing lag. Now go into Google Meet settings and reduce your video quality. I mean, switching to standard definition instead of high definition can significantly reduce lag, especially on lower-end Windows PCs. Make sure your Windows system and graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues during video calls, leading to lag or freezing. Now check your browser extensions. Some extensions run in the background and slow down performance without you even noticing. So, disable anything you don't need while using Google Meet. After applying these fixes, rejoin your Google Meet call and see how it performs. If everything is set correctly, your video should be smoother and lag should be greatly reduced. And that's how you fix Google Meet lagging on Windows. These quick tweaks can make a big difference, especially if your PC is struggling during calls. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.